Okay everyone, in this video I will show you a tutorial how to design prototype with Adobe XD. Okay, this is the first view. Once you open the Adobe XD, you can select size of the application that you will make a prototype. You can also input a custom size here, and in the left you can see other menu, that's home, add-on and other, and recent project that you made last time. In this video I will show you tutorial that Adobe XD bring itself. Let's begin this by pressing this button. Okay, let's start with full screen. This is the workboard. Let's zoom with scroll or with Control plus. You can zoom with two fingerprints on your trackpad, or Control plus and minus, or you can zoom in on an area by select it and use the Control plus 3. Let's try it. Okay, press the area and Control 3. Press spacebar to activate the hand tool and navigate. You can also use the trackpad or pad to pan. Okay, press space here, and in the left panel there is a tool. Select rectangle, ellipse, polygon, line, pen, text, artboard, and zoom. Also have a shortcut on the keyboard like V for select, T for text, R, E, L, P, and A for artboard. Okay, let's next to the 0 steps on this tutorial. Get the image using I can skip this. Let's start from the first step. We'll make artboard by pressing A and click on this area. Drag the shape with a select tool and align with this button in the middle and center position. Is the shape in this position. You can also use the Control paste, copy paste to use this, or you can use Alt with drag to copy this shape and have the double shape with this. Yes. Also you can do undo with the Control plus C. You can change this fill and create a color picker, or use the theme color under it. Okay, next we will make a tutorial how these two elements is working. By pressing the add button, it will union all of those two shapes. In this union group, you can see all those two layers on it, and we undo it and press the subtract button. The next is subtract button. It allows you to delete the shape that's stacked by shape above it and left over the shape under it. And we use intersect. In this intersect, the shape left is the area that the shape is overlay on it. Okay, that's intersection folder. You can also click this and we can see that have two layers on it. Okay, and so we can use exclude overlap. Exclude overlap is the inverse of the intersect, and we click on it and it will delete the area that two elements came together on that area. We can name this exclusion of the layer. Okay, so now we got this. We can change the fill background it to dark to make a shadow effect. Okay, we can also select these two layers and make a group by Control G and rename it with my group hey. Next to step number 2, add an image. Drag from tally. Oh no, I have a myself image this in this explorer. We can open the explorer here and search for the image image that I will input it to the Adobe XD will with the drag on it, copy this, and as we can see that the picture is included in that circle. Okay, next to step number 3, create bootstrap transition. The transition is can be accessed on the prototype tab and can be accessed on the element. If we click on it, it will send us to the page that we meaning to it. Now like this, or and we can try by pressing the play button, by previewing it by pressing this button, play button. Okay, we can scroll it down and press this. Okay, and so this is the page that I try to, but it can back. Let's add it and okay, with this transition to this page, and we skip this and to step number 5. In the design panel, we will make a list. Click this element, and there is a button named repeat grid. We click this and drag it down because we will make a scroll down for the list itself. Okay, we will make for list and click add multiple image atau okay, we will select 4 image. Where's my image? Oh, this image, forest, fire, mountain too. Okay, we drag the 4 this image to this element up on top element, and abracadabra, the 4 image is automatically arranged to this list. We also can rename that text and edit the text with text tool and other by double click on it. I will name it forest. Okay, like this. Okay, let's next to the step number 7. Make it scroll. Okay, and to make it scroll, click the block, the artboard itself. Change the size by scrolling this. Change to vertical. Okay, change the size by drag this dot down. Okay, let's try for the close. Let's try this, preview this. Okay, it is scroll, but the header is follow scroll. It's not sticky. Let's make it sticky. Let's start with numbers. Next to number 8, make header sticky by pressing that element, the header element. We click this, and on the prototype panel there are menu check that fixed position when scrolling. We preview this, and voila, that item is fixed while I'm scrolling. Okay, this is awesome. Let's go next to the step number 9. Change style. There are style color like blue with that code name of color. I don't know what is that. We will change that blue color to green color above it. We click this asset button, click the color that we will change this, and click edit new. Click. Okay, this will show this, and use the color picker like here, where the colors we want, and abracadabra, it's change of that color. Use all the item use that color. Okay, thank you. That is number 10. Just share for feedback. Thank you for the attention. Hope this gave you something or everything. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.